Well, that time when your husband was teaching, or he was letting you to do the parking?
He was just shouting.
No, are you sure? Which side were you doing the parking? Forward left or forward right?
We are going forward right.
That's not what we have decided.
Oh, we went forward left.
Yeah.
Right. That threw me off, you see.
Now we look at the iPad again and we have a look how to do the forward park. Now, when you go for the forward parking, what you need to understand there is when you're going for the actually, let's understand this first, okay? When we're doing the bay parking, when we are reversing, we move the front wheel, back one get push. When front one moves, back one get push, and the swings go really wider. When we go forward, front one moves and back one follows. Okay, that's why the turning is a lot more less. Okay, one of the examples you can do, some of the time you just see those shopping trolleys. Not all four wheel moves. Like they know that's a good example. If you have been to the hospital where those wheelchairs, the back one doesn't move, and it's just like quite quite difficult to turn them around. Have you visited those ones?
I work in the hospital.
Oh yeah, there you go. You work in the hospital. So this is the good example of these ones. So our back wheels of the car doesn't move. It only can go forward and backward, not just go in a sideways. And this is where the difficulties comes along. Okay. So when we do the reverse parking, we go in the middle, and we do the parking in the middle, and it just works perfectly. However, when we do the forward parking, we have to go to the completely opposite side.
So you can't be in the middle. Like
we can't be in the middle. So if you go for the forward parking on the right, we go all the way to the left hand side and keep your car straight, but close as possible. If any parked cars was on there, you don't want to hit into them, but close as possible to the left hand side. And then what we do, see, we lined our F1 with any one of the line. So look at the sticker on there, F1 there, F1 is in here as well. So F1 will be lined up with any one of the line, and then we full lock to the left, the car is going to swing to the right hand side and it's going to come back in here. Wait for the car to getting straight, make your steering straight. When it's there straight, your mirror will be lined up with these positions again, and that's you're going to park the car.
So your F1 has to face the line that you will be getting into.
If you come for the forward right, again, we go to the other side of the road. This time will be completely wrong side of the road, and it's okay. Your F1 will be lined up, and then you full lock to the left if you're doing it the opposite side. Okay. So basically, if you want to do the forward right, you come to the left hand side, and if you want to do the forward left, you go to the right hand side. Opposite directions.
Forward left to the right, forward right to the left.
Opposite. So the things we need to remember, when you do the reverse parking, you need to be in the middle. And for the way to better remember is R, which means reverse, and the reverse means third bay. On the forward, you go to the opposite, and it's F1, the first line. Okay, and that's the difference. Most of the other things are quite similar to each other. Okay, let's do the forward left first together. Okay, so we're going to take your left hand and keep yourself on the right hand side as possible. Okay, so let's make it a move whenever you're ready. And keep going to the right hand side as possible. How close to the right hand side you are?
Right, I am
very close. Or more space.
How
much space you have?
I've got. It's fair enough. If there was another car.
Okay, then go back. We don't have much empty base left, so go back. On a straight line. Keep going further back. Okay, good. Stop. Change it to drive. Good. Now going forward and lined up with F1 with any one of the lines.
Okay.
Try the next one. Try the next one slowly.
Okay, that's enough.
Okay. Full lock to the left.
Okay.
Or do you want to go back?
No, no, I'm alright.
Full lock to the left.
Yeah.
And let's go in. Now at this stage, lean forward like me. Have a look. Where is your car going, and wait for your car middle to be in the middle of the base.
Middle of the base.
Is it there or not yet?
Not yet. Yeah. I think
no. You're turning too much to the right now. Make your car straight. Tiny bit more to the left. It's not straight yet. And when you lined up with the line, just need to come to a stop.
Yeah. That's it.
Park, handbrake. Let's go now and have a look for first time, because that's the first time we do the forward parking, yeah? The best way you can do, we can go around the circle and come back in here and do the forward right again.
Okay.
So go around the circle, the round circle we did before.
Yeah, go.
No, go this way.
Go that way, yeah.
Yeah,
no, this
and then
way.
come back, Which one are you going to do, forward left or right?
I am going to do forward right. Forward left.
Forward left.
Yeah.
So which side do we need to go into?
Forward left to my right.
Go for it. So you see how easily you was heading for the wrong direction.
I was already.
It's okay. It's okay.
Forward, yeah. Right. I'm trying this. Let me try this one. Yeah. Right.
Are you sure?
Uh,
Which side we did the parking? Forward left or forward right?
We are going forward right.
That's not what we have decided.
Oh, we went forward left.
Yeah.
Right. That threw me off, you see.
Okay. Go around the circle and come back again.
Okay.
Take a right turn.
Yeah. Good. Let me think this properly.
Opposite side.
Opposite. Yeah.
Okay, so which side you want to go to, left or right?
I want to go back to the right.
Left.
To the left.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So which side is opposite?
Opposite is right.
Go for it.
Okay. Yeah.
Feels a bit weird, but that's what you need to do.
Yeah. Right.
And tell me, which bay will be the perfect for you go for a parking?
Empty bay.
Which one? All of them is empty.
Yeah. The one that doesn't have a tree or anything.
Okay, and which one is that?
Yeah. That one. This one. I'll go forward a little bit more. Yeah. Got it.
Okay. Quick straight.
Yeah.
Not too much, not too much to the right. Just to make that straight. Yeah, that's it. Just about straight. Straight.
Straight.
Good. And that's enough. Enough. So, what did you find the difference between when you tried in Costco with your husband and now?
Everything, because I think I was trying to be cool, trying to turn as I was parking, which didn't work. But now I notice I have to turn the wheel completely as as I'm straight right to F1. According to the bay.
Well, that time when your husband was teaching, or he was letting you to do the parking?
He was just shouting.
No,
everything went out of my head.
Okay, that's the normal husband does. Okay, that's not what I mean by. What I mean by it's he was telling you what to do, or you were trying by yourself?
He was telling me to do, but I thought I knew.
Okay.
Yeah, and he's like, I'm not listening, which I think I wasn't, but yeah, I mean, he's not an instructor.
Well, that's one of the things that's happened is when you go for your private learners, or like you're learning with the family, right?
Yeah.
It's nothing wrong with it. What happened is that they're just not professionally trained to how to train someone.
Yeah.
No, they're not professionally trained to train someone, right? And it's not that they don't know how to teach. They're just trying their level best and trying to teach you everything in one go.
Yeah, that's true. And expect you to know.
Yeah, they expect you to know.
Yeah.
You see, when we come to the car park, I divide them into 4 different elements, and we try to one by one at a time, and that's how we're going to build up on it, and that within a 1 or 2 attempt you're amazing about it, okay? And then you can say all of a sudden how this works. It's just not. I break them into small parts to make the joint together later.
Yeah.
Okay, that's what makes the huge difference. So when you go back with him next time, just be relaxed, okay? And take those advices what we've been giving to you, all right? Okay, cool. We've got one more parking left.
Yeah.
Which one is that?
So we did left, did right.
Now it's the right for turning for the right.
Yeah.
Okay. So what we can do, Tabi, we can go left, come back in here again.
Yeah,
this time we can stand on the left hand side, and we can do the forward right.
Okay.
When you want to do the forward, what will be the difference?
When I do the forward, I will be to forward right.
Yeah.
I'm parking left to the right. Yeah, opposite direction.
Okay. Seems like you know what you're doing then.
The taste is in the pudding.
Okay, take a left. Not too close to the fan. Yeah, that's it. More turning now, more turning. There we go. Take a good position, a bit more to the left.
Okay. Yeah.
That's better. Okay.
Right.
Now find a good position. More left. Keep your car straight. Your car's not straight. Wheels not straight. That's better. Good. And try now. No, like get the reference point. What are you doing?
Okay. Yeah, what am I doing? I'm going to that way.
Yeah. Are you at the reference point now?
A little bit forward.
Yeah, that's better.
Yeah. Right. It's on my side. Right.
Good.
Turn the wheel completely. Yes. Yeah.
Quickly straight. You turn too much to the left again. That's it. Okay, there you go.
Yeah.
That's it.
Okay.
Good. Park, handbrake. Okay, so what do you say about the parking now?
The parking is really good. I have to literally inject everything you've said.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now, do you need to make notes of them, or you're going to remember them?
I'm going to make notes of them. I don't know,
okay. I would say, yeah, take your phone out, make a notes of them before you leave the car park. Okay.
Yeah.
Because in the moment we're going to go out and we're going to do something. Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
All right. While you're making the notes, I'm going to